Beyond the reach of ordinary tourists lies a world of absolute exclusivity. Welcome to Off-Limits Travel. Today, we unlock the gates to the 7 forbidden paradises reserved only for the world's richest 1%. Nestled high in the French Alps, Courchevel 1850 is the ultimate winter playground for the global elite. Here, billionaires and royalty gather to experience the most exclusive ski resort on Earth, where ultra-luxury chalets cost over $250,000 a week. It's a hidden alpine paradise where privacy is the ultimate currency. From the frozen peaks, we fly straight to the warm, turquoise waters of St. Bart's, known as the crown jewel of the Caribbean. This tiny island transforms into an ultra-exclusive haven every winter. Here, the world's largest super yachts line the coast, and private beachfront estates command over $100,000 a night. Deep in the heart of Southeast Asia, the remote islands of Central Visayas offer a level of seclusion that ordinary tourism cannot buy. This tropical sanctuary is home to ultra-private island resorts where Hollywood stars and tech tycoons escape the paparazzi. Surrounded by untouched coral reefs and crystal-clear waters, a single villa here costs thousands of dollars a night, making it the ultimate destination for absolute peace and luxury. Lost in the endless blue of the South Pacific, Bora is the ultimate synonym for remote opulence. This South Seas paradise features world-class overwater villas floating atop a neon turquoise lagoon, for the elite seeking true isolation under the shadow of Mount Otemanu. Private island resorts here command up to $20,000 a night. Sailing deeper into the South Pacific, we discover the untamed luxury of Fiji's most private sanctuaries. Places like Laukala Island redefine exclusivity, where the ultra-wealthy arrive on private super yachts and custom private planes. This massive paradise features an internal volcanic landscape surrounded by neon lagoons, offering absolute discretion. Returning to Europe, we fly over the dramatic cliffs and azure waters of the Italian Riviera. Portofino remains the ultimate historic sanctuary for old money and Hollywood legends. Hidden from the mainland by massive coastal mountains, this exclusive village becomes a restricted paradise during the summer. Here, the world zählt eine multi-million-dollar superyachts to secure a piece of Italy's most prestigious and heavily guarded coastline. Our final stop takes us over the mesmerizing, vibrant turquoise waters of Bacalar, Mexico. Known as the Lagoon of Seven Colors, this eco-luxury paradise remains a heavily guarded secret for the world's most private travelers. Far away from mass tourism, billionaires retreat here to hide in exclusive boutique hotels camouflaged by the endless jungle. It is a mystical sanctuary of pure, untouched beauty, where silence is the ultimate luxury. If you look for a life without boundaries, subscribe to Off-Limits Travel for more ultra-luxury escapes. See you in the next paradise.